Meet your car, your trusty four-wheeled buddy. Just like you, it needs regular TLC to stay happy. Let's break it down. Monthly checkups, quarterly pit stops, and twice-a-year tune-ups. Ready? Vroom vroom. Every month, throw your car a mini party. Check the oil. Low? Top it up. Tires looking flat? Pump them up. And if you spot sad, cracked hoses or grumpy frayed belts, replace them before they quit on you. Party foul avoided. Quarterly alert. It's fluid fiesta time. Refill that windshield washer, power steering, and transmission fluid. Scrub crusty battery terminals. No one likes a grumpy battery. And swap that oil filter every 3,000 miles. Olay. Twice a year, it's brakes and blades boogie time. Test those wipers. Streaky? Replace them. Check your spare tire. Is it ready for action? And peek at brakes and shocks. Smooth rides equals happy you. Boom. You're now a car care superstar. Follow this checklist and your ride will purr like a kitten. Hit subscribe for more life hacks, and remember, a happy car means happy adventures.